All right, so I've got investors that buy single family houses. This is a project, I call this, it's in the ugly stage, barely even started. We're gonna go inside of it in a second. It's called Marydale, it's in Dallas. So inevitably, they want me to do some concrete work on the driveway, but they don't want to do it all because it's expensive. So this ugly part here, we're not gonna fix. This part here, where it's real bad against the garage, we're gonna fix. I've already won the work. All I do is basically instruct my guys via paint what I want them to work on. And we're tearing out everything. We'll go into this garage and get this out. This garage is gonna be converted into a house. I'm sorry, a bedroom. The master will be here. They're taking the garage out. So this is a demo instruction. And then I'm redoing right at the front door, this last 8 feet of the sidewalk, because it's all torn up, which my guys know what to do here. I really don't have to do this, but I'm doing it just for the sake of giving it the instruction once. And that's all we're gonna do on this house. We'll get that done in the next 5 days.